In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to restart a recurring invoice template, 2 minutes and 15 seconds. If you've paused a client's billing schedule or it stopped for any reason, restarting the recurring template gets invoices flowing again without rebuilding anything from scratch. I'll walk you through the exact clicks and share a few quick tips so you know what to expect at each step. Once you're in your account and looking at your main dashboard, start by clicking Invoices. This takes you to the central place where all of your billing activity lives. Depending on your layout, you'll usually find invoices in the left navigation or along the top menu. Give the page a moment to load so you're seeing the most current status of your invoices and templates. Next, click Recurring Templates. This section shows the templates that automatically generate invoices on a schedule. It's helpful to glance at the list to confirm the customer, frequency, and status of each template. You're looking for the one you intend to resume, especially if you manage several clients with similar names or plans. Open your recurring template by selecting it from the list. This brings up the detailed view with all the settings that control timing, amounts, and recipients. Before you proceed, double-check that you've opened the correct template. Verifying the customer, cadence, and next issue date can save you from restarting the wrong schedule. Now, click Restart Recurring. This command tells the system to resume the automated schedule for this template. In many setups, restarting will calculate a new next issue date based on your existing frequency and anchor date. If the option is grayed out, the template may already be active, or you might need the appropriate permissions. In that case, review the template's status label or reach out to your account admin. Finally, click Save. This is an important step because your change won't take effect until you save it. After saving, look for a confirmation message or an updated status that indicates the template is active again. It's a good idea to quickly confirm the next scheduled invoice date now reflects your expectations, especially if your billing cycles depend on month ends or specific weekdays. That's all there is to it. Click Invoices, go to Recurring Templates, open the right template, click Restart Recurring, and then save. With those clicks, your automated billing is back on track, and you won't need to manually create invoices for this schedule. If you manage multiple templates, repeat the same process for each one, pausing to verify details before you save. Thanks for watching, and happy invoicing!